Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Marvelous Marble, March 2023. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Skull Lover Nails and Polished Opinions. Our theme this month was browns, beiges, and nudes. Let's get started. I'm starting with IMK Bio Base as my base coat, and this is Braves Diva Murph. And we're going to go in for our base coat color here. We're going to just do one coat of this. I don't need a solid like opaque coverage for my base. I just want something under there in case I've got any holes or pockets in my water marble. That way it doesn't just jump out at you. Cap my free edge. And hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta get this little mess cleaned up here. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to top this with I&M's Out the Door. We're going to get it to dry down while we get ready to do our water marble. I'm so excited about this one. I had visions of coffee in my head the whole time doing this. It was such a good thing. Capping my free edge here. And here is Murph all on his own. Alright, and for water marbling, I'll be using Braves Diva, Chocolate Cheesecake, Ugly Bottle Syndrome, and Bases Loaded Lacquer, Flash and Some Leather, another Ugly Bottle Syndrome, and Braves Diva Murph. So here we go. We're going to use the tape and latex little trick today. Get my tape wrapped around just the tip of my nail. Mush it down. Saves me on having to use too much of my precious, lovely latex. I'll be using Protect Me by Adored Colors. I really do like this latex, and I know a lot of people are saying, well, isn't all latex the same? And normally I would have said yes, but this one seems to be performing better than the other ones I've had as of recent. Now, I might have used some way back in the day that was great, but I don't remember. So I'm going to put my first drop in, and I'm going to run my toothpick around the cup to spread it all the way to the edge so it has something to anchor on. And we're going to just build our bullseye. I'm going to do 3 dots. I believe 3 dots of each color. But you build it up the way you want to. How many ever dots you feel like you need. You'll know. You'll feel it. You'll see it. You'll know when it's ready. And I'm only showing one dip today. Let me know if you guys feel cheated when I do it this way. Just showing the one nail. I can make longer videos. I just didn't feel like anybody really wanted to watch all that. Same thing over and over, but you guys let me know what you think. Alright, so we got our bullseye built. I'm going to take my little handy dandy toothpick, and I'm going to draw straight up to the top and down to the bottom. And here comes the hearts, because we're doing like one of those coffee heart looking chocolatey messes. You kind of go in from the sides, but go down a little bit. And you can see that first heart form the top. And I'm just going to continue that. You kind of swoop in at the bottom and dip down so that it anchors. And that's really all I'm going to get out of that one. That last little heart's just not going to work out. I'm going to try to do one up here, but that doesn't work out either. So we're just going to stick with 3. I don't have really long nails, so I'm okay with that. So here we go. Going to line it up, dip down. I pinch the cup between my finger and my thumb so I don't knock it over. Blowing on the top of the water a little bit, make it dry faster. And then I'm going to go in with this toothpick and get this excess polish off the top of the water so that I don't ruin my manicure pulling my nail out and getting more of that on there. I'll stick to the side of the cup. Alright, get that cup out of the way so we don't knock it down. And then I'm going to run around the edge of my nail with the toothpick. That just breaks the seal if there is one. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Got the tape off. Gotta get this. And the latex isn't being fussy, it's me. I'm like being too scared to just jump in there with it. Nothing wrong with that latex. So there we go. Yes, indeed. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of cleanup, but you can see by doing the tape and the latex, I have totally saved myself from having to take care of a huge mess. But you know what? I've done it with a huge mess. I have water marbled with nothing to protect any of the skin. It's doable. It's just a mess you gotta clean up. It's what you want to do. But this cleanup's like super easy. Super duper easy getting in there. I normally use Q-tip for that part, but whatever. I'm going to top these with the Posh top coat. Seal them in. Finish them off. That's so pretty. Caught my friend here. Free edge. And here is my manicure. I do hope you'll go check out the other manicures. There'll be a link down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.